In our consumer-driven world, automated factories churn out thousands of frozen pizzas daily, showcasing incredible efficiency crucial for meeting market demands. The pizza-making process for large-scale production begins with automatic mixer machines, mixing flour, water, yeast, and other ingredients in precise amounts. This mixture is blended until it forms a smooth dough. Once the dough is ready, it moves along conveyor belts within the factory. These belts transport the dough to different areas where automated systems take over. These systems shape the dough into uniform balls, ready for the next stage of the pizza-making process. After the dough has been prepared and shaped into uniform balls, the process moves on to handling these dough balls in large quantities within the factory, where they are accumulated in large numbers. Automatic machines take over the task of transporting these dough balls to various parts of the factory. This is done using a complex network of conveyor systems and lifts. Some conveyor belts may carry the dough balls to resting areas where they undergo a brief period of fermentation, allowing the dough to rise and develop flavor. Others may transport them directly to the stations for the automatic pressing process. In the first method of shaping pizza bases, the dough balls are subjected to precision pressing mechanisms. Once portioned by the dough divider, these uniform dough balls are carefully transferred to the pressing station. Here, specialized machines descend upon the dough balls with calculated force, gently but firmly pressing them into round pizza bases of consistent thickness. The pressing action ensures that each base maintains uniformity in size and thickness, crucial for the overall quality and appearance of the final product. Alternatively, the dough can be shaped into elongated sheets, ready to undergo a different method of transformation. In this approach, the dough is fed through a series of rolling and cutting machines, each meticulously calibrated for precision. As the dough sheets advance along the production line, rotating pressuring machines descend upon them, exerting controlled pressure to cut the dough into the desired shape of pizza bases. The rhythmic motion of these machines ensures that the dough is uniformly shaped and sized, maintaining consistency across the entire batch. This method offers an efficient alternative to shaping individual dough balls, allowing for high-volume production while upholding the same standards of quality and uniformity. By employing this technique, automated factories achieve optimal efficiency without compromising the integrity of the final product, ensuring that each pizza base is perfect, primed for the toppings and subsequent stages of production. Once the dough is prepared and round, the automated process transitions into the pizza topping phase, where advanced technology first dispenses precise amounts of tomato sauce onto each dough round, ensuring an even coating across the surface. These sauces are carefully spread and distributed using specialized rolling machines, ensuring thorough coverage and uniformity on every pizza base. Next in line are the mixed toppings, ranging from savory meats to fresh vegetables. Machines equipped with rotating arms delicately dispense these toppings onto the sauced bases. Each ingredient is measured and distributed with precision to maintain consistency across the production line, ensuring that every pizza receives the perfect balance of toppings. Finally comes the shredded cheese topping, a hallmark of traditional pizza. Specially designed machines evenly sprinkle a generous layer of shredded cheese atop the assembled pizzas, ensuring that every bite is filled with gooey, melty goodness. These machines are calibrated to dispense the precise amount of cheese needed for each pizza, guaranteeing uniform coverage and optimal flavor distribution. For long-term storage or distribution to distant locations, pizzas undergo a freezing process. This typically involves placing the packaged pizzas in a blast freezer or tunnel freezer, where they are rapidly cooled to freezing temperatures. Freezing helps extend the shelf life of the pizzas and preserves their quality during transportation and storage. Most frozen pizzas are not pre-cooked, although there are a few exceptions to this general rule. In this case, the pizzas are moved into large ovens for cooking. These ovens can be conveyor belt-style ovens where pizzas move through on a continuous belt. Frozen pizzas are transferred onto conveyor belts that transport them to the packaging area. Systems are equipped with sensors and controls to ensure smooth and continuous movement of the pizzas. The pies are automatically fed into wrapping machines. These machines use a combination of rollers, heat sealing mechanisms, and cutting devices to wrap each pizza in plastic film or shrink wrap. The plastic film is dispensed from rolls and securely sealed around the pizza to protect it from external contaminants and maintain freshness. For pizzas packaged in cardboard boxes or cartons, automated carton erecting machines are employed. These machines can quickly assemble flat cardboard blanks into fully formed boxes with precision. Sealing machines securely close and seal the cartons using adhesive tape or hot melt glue. These machines ensure that the cartons are properly sealed to prevent tampering and protect the pizzas during transportation and storage. If you're really curious about how more types of food are made using cool technology and stuff like that, then get ready to be amazed by the next video we have for you.